Hello students, in this period we are going to solve practice set 12. So first question is find the HCF. HCF means higher common factor, highest common factor. So find the HCF by we using which method? It is using a prime method, prime factor. Okay. And the second question is find the HCF by the division method and reduce to simplest form. So it is, so let's factorize. The question first is find the HCF. Number 1, 25 comma 40. Okay, so look at here, both number, it has 5 digits, it has 0, so we will dividing this number by using 5. So we will dividing 25 by, draw a straight line and some line horizontals. Okay, so let's divide 25 by using 5. So 5 5s are, it is 25. 5 5 that is 25, and 5 is a prime number, so we will dividing this number by 5 or 1, so it is 5 ones are 5. So factors of 25 is 5 into 5. Okay, this is the factor of 25, 5 into 5. Now let's factorize 40. Again 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. So now let's divide 8 by using 2. 2 4s are 8. Again let's divide 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 is a prime number, so it is dividing by 1 or itself, so 2 1s are 2. So factors of 40 is 5 into 2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is the factor of 40. So now let's make a common factors. So it has 5 and it is also 5. So let's see, it is only 5. So our HCF of the HCF of 25, HCF of 25 and 40 is what? It is 5. ओके, आपण काय केलं, HCF मध्ये आपण काय करतो, मॅक्सिमम हायेस्ट कॉमन नंबर काढतो. तर याच्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये ओनली 5 कॉमन आहे, तर 5 our HCF of 25 and 40. Now let's see next example. The next example is 56. Let's solve 56 and 32. Okay, let's divide by 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, carry 1 here, it is 2 8s are 16. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Again divide by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So 7 is a prime number, so we can also divide this number only by 1 or 7. So it is 7 ones are 7. So this is the prime number of, prime factor of 56. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, now let's factorize 32. Let's factorize 32 by 2. So it is 2 ones are 2, 1 here, 2 6 are 12. Again divide 16 by 2, it is 8. Again divide 8 by, so it is 4. Again divide 4 by 2, so it is 2. Again 1. So factor of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the factor of 32. Now let's make a common factor. It has 2. It has 2. So it 1, 2 here. Okay. Let's multiply 2. 2. Second 2 here. Let's multiply 2 and 2. Third 2 here. So it is only 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the HCF of 56 and 32 is 8. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now the example third, fourth, fifth, all example are homework for you. Okay, let's solve this example at your home and send on our WhatsApp group. Now we will stop here. Thank you.